Hi friend, Miss Hazel here.
And Miss Kate.
Okay, this is another one of those projects where you can do it with one piece of paper. Today we're going to make an elephant. An elephant, look at that, out of one. Well, this is a page of paper and a quarter, so a page of paper and a scrap. So let's start. First, okay, he's not all the way done. I'm going to finish him with you on camera. Maybe he'll just be a sleeping elephant for right now. Okay, take your first piece of paper. You're going to fold it in half, hamburger style, the long way, like that. And then you're just going to kind of eyeball what you think this elephant might look like.
Where's the fold on your paper?
Oh, the fold goes at the top. You want to draw your elephant on your piece of paper. You want your legs to not be very tall. Maybe just about 1 finger's worth, right? You make a little loop kind of in the middle and then come up and where your tail is, and then you come up and go around the head and make a trunk. Okay, so there you have it.
Do you want a Sharpie so you can see it a little bit?
Sure. Miss Kate's going to pass me a Sharpie. I'll just show you. So I'm going to go around my elephant's head, make a trunk, and then a little kind of a upside down U on the bottom, a little tail, and come down. I don't want my legs to be too, there we go. This is the important part. Not super tall legs because I don't think your elephant will be able to stand up. So you're going to draw that, then you're going to get your scissors out. Here we go.
Are you cutting both pieces at the same time?
Yes, and you keep the fold on the top. Don't cut the top. We're not going to cut the top. We're going to cut the elephant. There we go. We cut our elephant. Here he is. He's cut out. Then we're going to make a slit where his head would be about half of the distance, about halfway down level with where your trunk is. Then you're going to open up your elephant and you're going to put some glue in between the head but not the legs. Do not glue those legs. There we go. Just the body. There's my glue. Only on the body. You're going to fold it together, line everybody up. This purple glue is so fun because you can see where it goes, but then when it dries, it disappears. Okay, now I've made my elephant. Then I'm going to fold my legs out a little bit. It's going to help him stand up. Let's hope I have better luck than I did before. Oh, my nose. My nose is so big, he's tipped that way. Okay, there you go. Now, to make your ears, you're going to take your piece of paper. It's actually folded in half again. And then you want one of these squares. So you're just going to use your scissors. One of those squares. And that's kind of how big your ears are. You're almost using the whole shape. So you fold it in half. Draw your ear shape. You're just going to kind of round the corners. There's your ears.
And the fold is still on top?
The fold is now in the middle, Miss Kate.
Okay.
Well, on the top. Okay, then you get your scissors out. Oh, I'm such a fast cutter. Okay, and now this one you're going to cut. If you know your fractions, maybe it's 3/4. Almost to the tippity top. You're going to cut it, and then remember you cut at your head. You're going to slide they're going to lock together. They're going to lock together, and you can maybe fold it a little bit to make them stay where you like them. And then your elephant is ready to go. Look at that. Isn't that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then could you color him, do you think?
Yes, you could color him. You could at least give him an eyeball so he knows where he's going. There we go. Oh. Yeah, you can color him.
Yeah.
You could also use colored paper. And also, you know, I know you friends are really creative. I would challenge you to think, could you come up with a different animal in the same way? I did an elephant. Yeah. All right. That is your 1 paper and a quarter project for today. And if you make one of these fun elephants, take a picture of it and send it to me because it'll last longer. And then I can show it to all my friends, and you could hashtag Alameda Arts Fun on Instagram. And if you like this video, you could subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you really want to know what we're doing, you could check us out at our website, alamedaarts.com. I think that's it, Miss Kate. I
That
covered
is
it all.
everything. Yes.
All right. Thanks everybody for coming. Take
Bye.
care.
See you next time.
Bye bye.